Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking Triage Trooper in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with this cap first. So we're just going to draw in one line on the top, and then the cap area we're going to just curve it down, slant it down, and then curve it and go back to the middle. And then from here we can, let's just go up, so finish up the top of the head first. So from the corners we're just gonna slant in, and then we're just gonna close it off again. And then we got one more segment, so we're gonna go up a little bit more, and then we're just gonna curve it, close that off. And then for the little details, we're just gonna draw two lines on each side. Alright, so that's pretty much the top. So we're gonna come down and draw his glasses. So on the corner here, we're just gonna slant it in. Just kind of slant it down a little bit. And then we're gonna come to the center. Just draw like a little angle like this. It's gonna be the bridge of the nose. And then we're just gonna slant it and close that off. So that's the glasses, and then we're gonna add in, so this one's easy, we're just gonna add in a little border all the way around, right underneath the hat. Okay, so this part's gonna be black. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in his nose. So this nose is just gonna be right underneath here. Just draw one little curve, we'll just keep it simple. And then right below that, it's gonna be a smile. So I'm just gonna draw like a slight smile. And then on the corner, just add a little bit of a line there. Okay, and then now for the side of the face. So on the side right here, just kind of draw in a little bit of slant right to the mouth area. And then right from there, we're gonna turn it inward a little bit more to finish up the jaw. And then we'll just close that off. And then it's got a little mask in here that kind of covers up its chin. So it's got one line across and then one little border, one little detail there. Okay, and then let's finish up the head by, he's got these earmuffs. So this one will just come on the side here. Let's draw like a little angle, so this one's easy. And then for the details, again, we'll just add in one little line here. Alright, so that's the head, and I know it's a little bit messy with all these lines, but once we color it, we should be able to see it better. So then for his neck, we're just gonna come down, and then we're just gonna close it all the way across. So he's got a, kind of has a really big collar, and then we're gonna come down on his collar. And then just close that off. And then in the middle, we can add in the zipper. So we're just gonna add in two lines for now. Okay, so let's fill in his body. So right around here, we're gonna come out for his shoulder. Nice and wide. And then we're gonna come down and pinch it all the way down to his waist. And then we're gonna close it off. Add in one section for the belt, so one long rectangle, and then for the belt it's a little bit different, so we'll just add in, here's the buckle, and then right here just a little angle like this, little triangle, and let's just add in two loops again, just like all the other belts. Alright, so now let's try in the middle part because he's got quite a lot of stuff going on in here. So he's got this one big strap around him, so just draw a rectangle inside. And then once you have that, we just kind of draw in one big line inside, so this is going to be white. And then in here we'll add in one extra line in the middle. And then let's see, let's divide it up because these are like different pouches. So I'm just gonna divide it right in the middle. Okay, and then for this one, we'll draw in one line here. So this is going to be white. Okay, and then we'll just leave it at that because there's a lot of other details, but we have to simplify it. Okay, so going back up here, we just draw in a little bracket like this. This is going to be one of the straps on his shoulder. Okay, and then to finish up the details on his clothing, on this corner here, come down to the armpit area. And then now we can add in the straps. So just 2 lines. Okay, so that's another strap. And then here on the bottom, we just draw a bigger strap here. Okay, and then let's see, for some detail, he's got the stethoscope here. So we just gotta draw a circle. And then another circle here in the middle. And then we're just gonna draw in a little line here. So this kind of comes up to here. Kind of goes through the collar. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so that's the body, and he's got one little pouch here on the side. We just add a small one. Little flap. Okay, so let's move on and draw in his arm. So I got his arms on the side. It's gonna be his fist is gonna be here. So here's his armpit. And then for this one, he's got a little bit more padding up here. So I'm gonna come up slightly. And then when I come down, this is gonna be his shoulder. Okay, we're gonna extend the armpit a little bit. And then here is his bicep. So bracket, come up here, bracket. All right, and then once you have that, we're gonna skip the elbow for now and let's draw in his fist right here. So just kind of come down. That's gonna be the back of his fist. And then we can add in some detail here. This is gonna be his glove on the back. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw in his arm. So from this point here, just meet up to this area right here. Come down, and this is just gonna be one big glove. We add in some detail here. Okay, and then for his elbow is easy. We're just gonna continue this. Just kind of come down and then just curve it into the glove. So I know there's some details. Let's move on to the other arms first before we draw that. So here, coming across, here's the armpit again. And then we're gonna go up slightly. Come down, the shoulder. And then here, bracket for the biceps. And then we come across and let's draw in the fist again. Just come down, same thing, and just use the other side for reference. Okay, here's the back of the glove. Okay, so and then again, we just kind of connect this, go up, let's connect that, come down, and then just curve it back into the wrist. And then we'll add in one section here. Okay, and then for his elbow, continue down and just curve it in. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. Alright, so now for the details here, just from the center here, just kind of come down, just kind of close that off. Okay, so center, just kind of come down, so it's like a different material there. And then we just kind of draw in, it's got one stripe here, the red stripe. And on the bottom here, it's got another stripe, so this one's a little bit strange. So just start here and just go out to the sides. And then we're gonna add one circle in there. Okay, so start in the middle, on the corner, just go out. And a circle inside. Okay, so let's move on to his legs. So in the middle here, come down, a little line there. And then for his legs, we're just gonna continue this line here. Go out, come back in. On the inside here, come down, pinch in. And then close it with a curve going this way. Okay, and then this is the knee pad, so we'll just kind of extend it, 2 lines. And then again, just close it. And then inside, we'll just add in a line, just kind of go all the way around it. So, right, so that one's easy. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So we're gonna continue on, same line, pinch it in, come down, pinch in, close it with a curve, and now we'll extend it, close it with this curve, and then inside we'll just add in a little line to create a little border. Alright, and then for the details, let's just go down and rough in the lower legs first. Okay, so here in the corner, we're gonna flare out, close it off, because this is gonna be the beginning of his boot here. So we're gonna come in slightly. Okay, start inside slightly and just kind of pinch it in, close it off. And then here's the dome shape. We're gonna curve down, and then this side go out a little bit more, and then just close that off. And then we'll extend this line here, and then slant down. Finish up the shoe, give it nice big tracks. And then detail, just 2 little rectangles inside. Okay, so let's move on to the other leg. So again, flare out. Use the other side for reference. Close it. Come in slightly. Pinch it in. Close it with a curve. Well, actually mine is like a line, but it should be a little bit curved. Okay, dome shape, come out more on this side. Close it off. And then extend the line. Slant down. Okay, use the other side for reference. Close it, and then same detail on the shoe, tracks. And then let's see, let's add in some detail. So this one's got laces here. So we're just gonna draw 2 lines like this. And then to draw in the laces is actually really easy. We just kind of zigzag, 2, 3, 4, and just go all the way down. And then once you have this one, we're just gonna start a zigzag going this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so really easy way of doing laces. So let's try on the other side. 2 lines. Start on any corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And then lastly, some details up here. So he's got 2 straps here. So just start on the belt area. Just draw 1 line. And then just draw another line. Just give it some thickness. Curve it out. Another line. And then this is a different material here. So right in this area here, just kind of flare out. And then go straight up. Alright, and then it's got 2 pouches here, so this one's really easy. You just draw in a little rectangle in here, and here's a little flap. Same thing here. Little pouch, little flap. And that is it for this Triage Trooper in Fortnite. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.